To use Glee with a Credit Karma Spend account, alternative options must be explored, as the account itself does not currently support spending, sending, or receiving money through Glee. The Credit Karma Spend account focuses on providing basic banking services, such as spending and saving, but Glee integration is not yet available. However, there are a few workarounds. Linking another bank account that supports Glee, transferring money to a Glee-linked account, or utilizing a third-party payment app like PayPal, Venmo, or Cash App to send and receive funds. By linking another bank account that supports Glee, transactions can be facilitated through that account. Alternatively, transferring funds from the Credit Karma account to a Glee-supported bank account allows for the use of Glee from that account. Another option is to consider using a third-party payment app that allows linking to a Credit Karma Spend account, which can meet fund transfer needs. These alternatives enable the use of Glee in conjunction with a Credit Karma Spend account. Despite the lack of direct integration,